Hey guys, Retro Badger here. I hope you're all well. Today we have a request, and it's to put the Federation Klingon hybrid Burrell bird of prey against every Enterprise until it is destroyed. The Federation Burrell is armed with torpedoes, disruptors, antimatter mines, and Federation pulse phasers. Now, I added the Defiant pulse phasers myself as I feel it's a good fit. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. So to begin with, we have to get it out of the way. The NX classes. So we have disruptors, torpedoes, or quantum missiles as they're listed. Whoa! And we also have the antimatter mine. And Worf says fire. Oh, okay, well we hit them. Not that much damage though. And pulse phasers. It makes sense though, on a Klingon Federation hybrid starship.
Fire.
Oh! Worf said it, so it had more punch behind it. There we go. Next, we have the Constitution classes. I'm going to sneak up on the original Enterprise. Let's cry havoc. Oh boy. Well, we've disabled the phasers. And our maneuverability is superb. Oh, we just hit them with an antimatter mine. It's not done that much damage though, surprisingly. I've noticed with those mines, they're either devastating or not. It must be how you land them. Ooh, our shields are actually starting to go down at this point. The warp core has been disabled. There we go. One down. But we are taking damage here. Ooh, I think I might have taken on a bit too much. So it's hard to say how far we're going to get with these Enterprises. We are... Ooh, whoa! I've snapped the back off. We are having a bit of trouble with the motion picture era here, but that wasn't a weak era. Enterprise A in particular was a powerful ship. I thought I'd group together some of the older ones, but I'm regretting it now. Ah. Oh, they've got to be out of the game now, surely. Yep. Oh, that was a critical hit right there. We must have got them right in the warp core, I guess. And there we go. 3 Connies down. Next, we have the Enterprise B. This should be good. This is the one that I modified, that we're going to face now. Incoming. Oh, managed to evade their photons. That's good.
Fire. Fire.
Oh, could fire 2 mines. Again, it doesn't look like they've done much. I think it's all about how it hits. My guess is, because I fired those mines before, and it hit a ship and destroyed it completely. So I'm thinking we have to get the shields down first. That makes sense. Oh, ventral shields at 35%, but our forward shield's not in a good way here. The Excelsior refit phaser banks are causing us issues. And they've got a strong hull as well. That is a big ship we're facing right now. They can't hit us with their motion picture era photons. That's good. Oh, look at that! Saucer separation. Oh, gosh. That was close. Wow. And that's the end of the Enterprise B, but it put up a heck of a fight. Next, we have the Enterprise C. Based off how the last matchup went, I fear we may have met our match. But never say never. Okay, we've got incoming photons. I'm going to turn. Ooh. Wow, we've already got some hull damage and our cloak is offline. Let's try with mines. They're a cool animation, those. Ooh. So we're able to evade some of their photons. Now, we have seen that on screen. Photons can miss. Now, on the Enterprise C, I usually like to go for the impulse engines. I find that effective. Ooh. I'm finding it really hard to target the Enterprise C where I want to target it. I just can't make any progress here. Their shields are too strong. But that is an Ambassador-class starship. And I'm going to assume that's the one that was roughly 20 years before the events of yesterday's Enterprise. Oh, we've hit the warp core. It's almost like shooting from a distance has helped in this encounter, to a point.
Fire.
Antimatter mines. Oh yes, see, look at that. The antimatter mines have been devastating. It's almost ripped through. Let's try and do some more. There we go.
Fire.
Oh, wow. The mines have ripped the ship apart. That's incredible. Well, that was seriously touch and go there. I think if I'd played as the Enterprise C, it would have been over very quickly, but, incoming. Oh, flippin' egg! Wow. That's nuts. So that is the Star Trek Generations version of the Enterprise D by Wile E. Coyote. And it is by far the best Galaxy class in the game. Ooh. Yeah, this isn't going well, the poor Burrell. Ooh, but we have caused a hole there. I wonder if that was one of our mines. Oh, those photons are terrifying. I've got a feeling the head's going to pop off in a minute. They track so well. I cannot evade them. Ah, rats. We've lost our mines. Hang on. Do we have warp? No, we've lost warp as well. We've just got a shell of a ship left now. Ooh. I like how the shields are still operating. Ah, there we go. Well, we were able to destroy the Enterprise C, but the Enterprise D was too much. I think we can all agree, though, realistically, the Enterprise C should have won that battle. I think it's slightly more powerful than the Klingon variant, but it mainly comes down to its weaponry. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye for now.